it's me, Alegra. Babes, believe it or not, I am coming at you today with a best magnetic eyelashes 2021 video. You guys, I can't believe it myself after what happened the other day. I don't know if you beauties have seen, but the other day I tried magnetic lashes and it was just absolute torture. They were not working out for me, but lo and behold, I went back to the drawing board and I did some extreme research and I found out how to make those exact lashes work for me. That's why I figured today I would come and share them with you because believe it or not, I absolutely love them now. They're my favorite magnetic, maybe even my favorite lashes ever. They just take some working with. Well, once you learn how to use them properly, then you know it's all good. But that's why I figured today I would show you guys. I would do another demo, only this time it's gonna work out. So I can't wait to show you beauties. Let's just jump right into this video. Best magnetic eyelashes 2021. Whoop whoop. So, beauties, let me just get them ready. I have them right here, these little baby dolls. And here is that magnetic lash applicator that I just wanted to burn the other day, but now it's my bestie. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how I got these to work for me. So what you do is you take the magnetic lashes and you apply it to the applicator with the magnets facing outwards, and the lashes are facing down towards the handle of the magnetic lash applicator. So then you go ahead and take the other one and you do the same thing, just place it along the rim of the lash applicator. So make sure that you apply it so that your lashes are aligned with the magnetic lashes. So make sure that your shortest lash near your tear duct area is aligned with the shortest lash on the magnetic lash, and then apply them. So just go ahead and press down gently. You'll hear a snap, and there you go, guys. Isn't that amazing? Sometimes there's like a little bit of a gap, but they truly do stay. It's so crazy, and I'm going to show you what to do to blend them in if there is a gap. But you guys, I could not believe it when I finally got them to work for me. Let me go ahead and do the other eye. And there you go. Now this one also, sometimes you just have to work with them, but there is a little bit of a gap right there. So let me go ahead now and show you guys if there is any gapping. You can take your liquid liner and just fill in the gapped spaces. You just kind of fill in any little gapping, like right in the tear duct area. Now if you feel like they're not facing the right way or something, you want to maneuver them, just take your finger and you can push them. I feel for me, I pushed them upwards kind of, and that just made them sit beautifully. So I just take my finger and kind of just gently push upwards. So to complete the look, I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. But you guys, I have been trying to get magnetic lashes to work for me for the longest time, and I tried the one with the eyeliner, but yeah, it just never really worked out. These though, I have to tell you the God's honest truth, guys, I wore them all day today after I finally got the hang of it, and they did not come off. They didn't budge. I live in a super humid climate, where I live is very humid. I live on the water, so it's extremely humid where I live. And they didn't budge. They stayed perfect. They feel comfortable. They're not pinching my eye. I do have hooded eyes, so I didn't feel them pinching my eyes or anything like that. They feel really good. They feel pretty they do feel weightless. They do. They feel good. They feel really good. So what do you guys think? I'm sorry, but I'm giving myself a hand for that because I was just done the other day when I tried them with you beauties. You know, I got them in the mail. I was giving my first impressions. I was testing them out with you beauties. And if you might have seen my other video, but I did try these on the other day and I just could not get them to work for me, and I thought they were the worst thing I ever purchased. So if you guys are interested in these, I will now link them below because I think they're amazing. Once you know the tips and tricks on how to use them, you know, just basically align, make sure that the lashes are pointed down, make sure the magnets are facing outwards so that they're visible to your eye. They're not under the lash, and they're super easy to remove. You just take them off and you're done. There's no lash glue, there's no harsh things to take off, so they really are a great option if you're looking for magnetic lashes, or if you're looking for latex-free lash glue options. I truly love these. They have a few different styles. I'm gonna put this one back on and I'll be right back. So beauties, this is the finished look. I did put on some eyeliner, so that's pretty much it, beauties. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. And don't forget, if you haven't heard already, but on my Instagram I'm having weekly giveaways. I'm posting big huge prizes, 3 winners, and so the pictures are up on my Instagram. I'm announcing the winners every Friday, and then every Friday I'm posting a new huge giveaway. So if you want to check it out, that is over on my Instagram. I'll have it linked below. You don't have to be on Instagram to take part. You can always just comment in my comments here on YouTube and let me know that you're interested, that you want to take part, because I know a lot of you beauties don't have Instagram. But the only requirement is to be a subscriber and, you know, just stay active, and I really appreciate all your guys' support. So I hope that you want to take part. So thank you beauties so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you dolls so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.